Imagine waking up to the sight of dolphins gliding past your window, schools of glowing fish swirling like living chandeliers, and the deep blue ocean stretching endlessly in every direction. This isn't a dream. It's real. And today, we high-stepping inside the world's first 300 million underwater mansion, a palace beneath the waves where billionaires escape to live in complete luxury and serenity. From crystal-clear domes to hidden submarine docks, from floating glass bedrooms to an underwater ballroom, this ocean palace is unlike anything you've ever seen. Welcome to the future of luxury living beneath the sea. Before we dive inside, let's take a look from above. On the surface of the ocean, all you see is a sleek, futuristic floating platform, resembling a private yacht fused with a luxury island. Solar panels glisten under the sunlight, while wind turbines and hidden desalination units make this mansion completely self-sustaining. But here's the twist. The real magic lies below the surface. Beneath the waves, stretching down multiple levels, is an entire underwater palace, complete with glass tunnels, luxury suites, gardens, and entertainment spaces, all surrounded by the endless ocean. It's not just a mansion. It's a private world hidden beneath the sea, protected by reinforced glass, and cutting-edge engineering strong enough to withstand the ocean's pressure, storms, and even tsunamis. The journey begins not with a driveway or a red carpet, but with a private submarine dock. Guests arrive in sleek mini-submarines or luxury hydro vehicles that glide silently through the ocean currents. As you approach, hidden floodlights illuminate the structure like a glowing jewel in the dark blue. The dock opens into a massive glass entry tunnel, a breathtaking underwater foyer where the ocean itself becomes part of the architecture. Giant manta rays float overhead while shimmering schools of fish swirl like living art pieces. Polished marble floors stretch beneath your feet, and along the walls, high-tech panels display real-time ocean data. Tides, currents, even glowing patterns of marine life detected nearby. This isn't just an entrance. It's a grand reveal, a moment where guests realize they've left the world they know behind and stepped into another universe. As you pass deeper, the first major space you enter is the Ocean Dome Foyer, a massive, cathedral-like atrium entirely surrounded by reinforced glass. Look up, and instead of a ceiling, you see the shimmering surface of the ocean above, light refracting down like liquid gold. Look around, and every wall opens to the deep blue sea, where exotic fish drift lazily past. The floor is an intricate mosaic made of crushed seashells and polished pearl tiles, glowing softly with embedded LED lighting. A grand spiral staircase of crystal and titanium winds upward, leading to the upper lounge areas. Floating chandeliers designed to mimic jellyfish pulse with soft light, giving the entire foyer a surreal, dreamlike quality. It feels less like walking into a home, and more like stepping into the lost city of Atlantis, reborn for the 21st century. Next, we enter the Ocean Lounge, the heart of this underwater palace. This massive living area stretches across an entire floor, designed with an open-plan layout and floor-to-ceiling glass walls on every side. Plush white sofas curve along the walls, allowing guests to sit back while watching sharks, dolphins, and sea turtles swim just feet away. Golden accents gleam against the soft aquamarine glow of the ocean outside. A centerpiece aquarium, yes, an aquarium inside an underwater home, stands in the middle of the lounge filled with rare coral and glowing jellyfish like a living sculpture. The smart glass walls can shift from transparent to opaque at a touch, giving instant privacy, and hidden ceiling panels can project starry skies or digital art when guests want a change of scenery. It's not just a lounge, it's a living theater where the ocean itself is the main performance. Step further, and you'll find a dining experience unlike any other, the Underwater Banquet Hall. A grand 20-seater dining table sits beneath a dome of crystal-clear glass with panoramic views of the coral reef outside. Above the table hangs a chandelier made from recycled sea glass and polished coral, glowing like a jewel. The kitchen, tucked discreetly behind the scenes, is equipped with AI-controlled chef systems that can prepare world-class meals with precision. And the highlight? A built-in wine cellar designed to maintain perfect conditions beneath the sea, with walls that glow softly like bioluminescent coral. For more intimate gatherings, there's even a private underwater restaurant, a smaller dining space with curved booths facing a living coral wall where guests can enjoy gourmet dishes while watching marine life drift just inches away. Now, let's step into the crown jewel, the master suite. The bedroom itself is suspended like a glass bubble in the middle of the ocean, with a 360-degree view of marine life all around. The California king bed is positioned to face the deep blue horizon, so every sunrise and sunset becomes a private performance just for you. The ensuite bathroom rivals any five-star resort. A freestanding glass bathtub sits at the edge of the suite, so you can soak while sharks and stingrays glide past outside. The shower is designed as a rainfall cascade, illuminated by soft blue lights that mimic the feeling of standing beneath a waterfall. And, of course, there's a private walk-in wardrobe larger than most apartments, with automated smart mirrors and a climate-controlled dressing area. This isn't just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary, a floating dream suspended in the middle of the ocean. But what's a palace without the ability to host? The Ocean Mansion comes with 6 additional guest suites, each with its own unique underwater theme. One suite is decorated in modern minimalism. Sleek lines, soft whites, and glowing blue walls. Another embraces classic luxury, with mahogany panels, velvet curtains, and golden trim that make you feel like royalty even beneath the sea. Each suite has its own entertainment system, smart lighting, and private bathrooms, with heated marble floors, rainfall showers, and touchless amenities. Every guest who stays here doesn't just get a room. They get an entire underwater lifestyle experience most people will never even dream of. And for entertainment, this mansion doesn't disappoint. At the heart of the palace lies a private underwater cinema, complete with reclining seats, a massive 200-inch 8K screen, and a sound system designed to make you forget you're underwater at all. Just next door is a futuristic game lounge, featuring VR pods, holographic projectors, and even a mini casino for private events. But the real showstopper is the underwater ballroom, a grand circular hall with a glass ceiling that looks straight up to the surface of the ocean. Imagine dancing under the light of the moon as fish shimmer above you. It's surreal, romantic, and utterly unforgettable. Of course, luxury isn't complete without relaxation. This mansion includes a full wellness center, featuring a yoga studio overlooking the reef, a meditation chamber filled with the sounds of the ocean, and a luxury spa offering everything from deep-sea salt scrubs to pearl-infused massages. The sauna glows with Himalayan salt panels, and the floating therapy pods let you drift weightlessly as though you're floating in space. It's not just a spa. It's a place to let go of the world above and fully embrace the calm of the ocean below. And yes, even though this is an underwater mansion, there's still a hidden surface-level deck. Step outside, and you'll find a private garden with exotic plants grown using hydroponics, a sunbathing area with infinity pools that merge with the ocean, and even a helipad for guests who prefer to arrive by air. At night, the garden glows with bioluminescent pathways, creating the illusion of walking among the stars. Only this time, the stars are beneath your feet. And that concludes our exclusive tour of the $300 million underwater mansion, a home unlike any other on Earth. It's more than luxury. It's a vision of the future, where technology and imagination blend to create worlds once thought impossible. But here's the real question. If billionaires are already living beneath the sea, where could the next frontier of luxury take us? Stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll step inside. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tour.